Welcome back, guys. I'm sitting here in my stand. It's Saturday afternoon of Illinois shotgun season, so I didn't get to record yesterday. I had school off and I was hunting. I haven't gotten anything. Just today I shot, or not I, but my grandpa shot a doe and my dad got a doe. So, and I didn't see anything this morning. And the reason I didn't record because it was raining and mushy and it snowed here. Well, you'll see in a minute. But it snowed and stuff, so sitting back out here. Now the people that are hunting next to us, my PE teacher actually leases it, and he hunts on it and stuff. So he says that he's got pictures of two twin 10-point bucks that are walking around, and he says the way the trail cameras are set up is that he's got them, and they come from where I'm sitting now, because he hunts right behind me. So where I'm sitting now to where he is, and I haven't seen a single buck. Actually, I take that back. I saw a forkhorn yesterday, but that's the only buck I've seen. So we know there's a 9-point walking around because my brother saw that, but it was 200 yards away. He wasn't going to shoot at it. So yeah. What I hunt with is a muzzleloader. It's a Traditions muzzleloader, Pursuit. It's got a scope and everything. So yeah. Pretty much it. And I'm up on top of a hill, and so I gotta walk and everything because the mule that we use to get up the hill it won't climb the hill because it's snowy and mushy and everything. So I had to walk up, but I can live with that. And the snow was really like soggy and stuff, so it stuck to the trees and stuff and froze. So all the tree limbs and stuff are bowed down. Here, I'm gonna show you guys here. Show you what I mean. So you guys can see that it's just crappy out here. And it's November too. It's not even Thanksgiving yet. It snowed this much. I don't know exactly how much it snowed, but so yeah, this is shotgun season. Now, for tomorrow morning when I record, you guys can't see it right now, but let's zoom in. And that tree stand right there is where I'm going to hunt tomorrow. And I think, since I don't know how much video coverage we're going to have, I think this and tomorrow is all going to be one video. Maybe it'll be a little longer video than all the others, but I think maybe you guys would like that. So we got our eyes on a buck, because I really don't want another doe. So I've had my share of does. Had 2 really big ones yesterday. So yeah, we're going for a buck. Also, by the way, guys, where my grandpa sits, my cousin sits with him, and my cousin doesn't hunt, but he sits with him and, kind of supervises, whatever. But where they were sitting at, his stand, they've got the trees and stuff are packed full of snow, and they're falling over, and 2 big trees fell right next to them, because they're up in the timber, and they're not up in the open like we are. It stopped snowing, but that's still pretty dangerous. It's starting to warm up, and the snow is starting to melt, so we don't know if that's going to have a positive or a negative effect. If it's going to be positive, then the snow's all going to fall off, but if it's negative, and the snow doesn't melt fast enough, then it'll refreeze to the tree tonight, and that'll just make it more heavy. A lot more trees are going to fall. Tomorrow morning I'll show you Well, there's an example right there. There's a tree there. Oh, I gotta get the camera situated. There's that tree right there. Now that's a Russian olive, and it's supposed to stick up, and you're supposed to be able to see the bottom, but the snow's stuck to it so bad that it's, bowed down and everything, and branches have broken off. So that's what that is. So we gotta be careful. And it was scary because we were getting my dad's deer, and we were walking through the timber, and a branch fell off of a big tree. It fell right next to us as we were pulling deer out, so pretty scary. Got a doe out there. Not gonna take her. For one, I think she's a little too far out. And I'm not really gonna worry about a doe because it's getting dark. If we shoot her now, then we have to clean her, dispatch her in the dark, so not real worried about it. She seems to be better by herself, so. Okay, another bigger deer, bigger doe, just walked out. So I'm gonna let her come in a little bit. She's gonna eat, so fill her stomach for tonight. So I'm gonna see if she'll come a little closer than that other one did. So we'll wait. I'm gonna shoot her when she turns broadside. Okay, I think I heard a little bit of a crash. Not quite sure, but we'll see. Okay, there's another doe down there. I don't know if it's the same one or not. I doubt it, but unless she has something with her, then I doubt that it's her. But she's right out there in front of the east stand, so even if it was the same one, she's out of shooting range now. Looks like she's going into the bushes there, so. Man, I hope I didn't miss that doe. I've reloaded and I've only got one less shot left, so. Just as I was packing up, looking at me, just as I was packing up to get down and look for that doe, this 8-point walks out. And we've seen him before. Must have scared him off. Okay. Well, I already packed up my gun and I'm not going to shoot at that, so. My grandpa just saw that a few minutes ago, so. Oop, I doubt that was something. That's not close enough to the property line. So I'm gonna get down now out of the stand and go down there and look for that doe before the sun goes down. Okay. Hey guys, okay, we're back over here in the opposite side of the field that we were yesterday. today's Sunday, so I'm not sure, but somebody around just shot, so I got my eye out, looking for a doe or something to come running. Ooh, as a matter of fact, there's one right there. Yeah, by the way, I know I probably already put up a banner, but just in case I don't, I missed that doe the other day. I was way low. She's too far out to shoot. That doe is. So, yeah, she's clear on the other side. We'll let her pass. My mom just radioed in. She says she got the doe. So, we got one on the ground and hoping that another buck walks by. Something bigger than the 8-point we saw yesterday. Also, by the way, we got the negative effect of the melting process. It didn't melt off the trees all the way, and it's frozen solid. This tree over here, hold on, that one right there, see that's all like bent over, that was straight and tall yesterday. So that just goes to show how horrible this is. So, but we let the doe that just came, we let it pass by. We heard, I think it's a grunt, but I'm not sure, and I heard turkeys gobbling, so we haven't seen any turkeys yet this year, which is kind of surprising, because normally I see tons of turkey, and last year I saw there's like 10 turkey and they were walking across the field, and then a coyote came out and just walked right through them, and the turkey just don't care. There's two doe out here. Shoot at them. Struggling. I don't know where I hit her. Felt like a good shot. Looks like she's gone. She's going. Well, got herself a doe. Woo! First deer of the year.
Find him?
Yep. You found him.
Hey, you old fat butt. That hole's pretty big. Woo! That hole's big.
Yeah, that's a big hole. Where'd you get him, buddy?
I hit him straight in the lungs.
Yeah. Well, turn him over. Let's see what he got. You frozen?
Oh yeah, he's
Been
nice
laying there
stiff.
for a little while.
All right, buddy. Look at him.
He's a fighter. Look at him. Look there. Look at that.
Woohoo! All
Well, he's a
right.
fighter, bud. He's all tore up.
Yeah, look at that hole, bud. That's a big hole there, buddy. Awesome.
Hey,
Good job, buddy.
He's filming. He's
yeah,
filming.
now
the-
he's got you. All right.
All right.
Let's get you down there with the deer.
Walk down here a little bit farther away from where Brian just found his first ever deer, 8-point buck. And this is just an example of what it can do when the snow freezes to the trees. That happened, that snapped off and went over there. And then that there, that fell over. That made a big mess. I don't know if that's been there or not, but that over there fell too. Fell right into the creek.